Omunyabiragiro orukwetombitirwa na Mark Kamanzi owa M Kamanzi and Company Advocates bitor kuturu muri Kampala pene nako bugabe nagira ngo na munyanya Mark Kamanzi bakabaganita kariya bazire babo bitu nabwanyuma yo kubagana ku munyanya Kamanzi akarangirira ngo weriye naruguza nawe pene nankwe kurumuguraho umwaka gw'2018 mu kwezi kw'ikumi ubwo ari kubanza kumushashiraho miliyoni 5 hari miliyoni 100 ezi yabire nayenda
kaguzita karyange miliyoni 15 nakoraho miliyoni 5 akwankani nyombe kenju nazishashura maka natambura nargambarra neija nazumushashura Kampala kantake yesento mu banka yambara nguzireto mu umunshaho nije kushashura Kampala kunashikiraha county yange keriyo mu tropical bank naza branch ya tropical bank ose small na withdrawing sente nyene Kamanzi yangambira ati miliyoni 5 zimpo munga nazihayo nazumuhereza miliyoni 5 bazuwa yaringa from my account to his account form yaji feelinga njine reason yaji tahorand seru byona yabikora konka at the end of the day market yazibinga itaka yari inyuma
nagira ngo umwaka gw'2019 umukwezi kwa mushanjwa akashashura Mark Kamanzi yamuhezayo bitu bwa nyuma y'ibiro bibiri munyanya yamwehindurira yamubinga hitakeri
ekiri kumusasa no kugura itaka na munyanya Kamanzi nkamushashura sente ziyanshabire akampaza receipt akanga korenda ganu kusaininga transfer forms itaka tindine sente tinzine ndiaho nimbona bona
ubwo akirukangira ha polisi yahababera munyanya Mark Kamanzi bitu kubyashikira umukoto muhababi wa government yabasindika ngo babanze babugane kitaka
akabingente akabinga abakozi akataho abakume b'emhoro akaza ha polisi na polisi ya Buremba bwirobo mushenjo wabera ariho bakanwa mweta Silva no yabe nakoranka OC namwe bakamha transfer bamutankungu Silva nabwo umupolisi gwakakora kubi okurikizo muntu owarga Kampala kandi nyondi yo mutakandi yaho ntwireho akabara kuntegereza kumbuza kiri kubinga sente zo mwitaka no kuzizeremo akakana terente nazibinga
bit polisi akagumiza mu yahaye ncwa yayo eyakozerwe ASP Aine Banis owabiraro OCCID wa Kiruhura 2011 by'ukwezi kwa kashatu mwaka gw'2020 nukwe kwabara ngo itakargaruzibwe pene nako bugabe obwarukoreka ngo itakeri akaruguru mburyo bushikere enshonga kazitwara umukote nkure yambara bitoku nayo Mark Kamanzi akanga kuzayo
kakom state house nashanga mukanseriza besi nawe yagezaho kunyamba makati yamubaramu yampe barana gitwara Kiruhura nyonka ntakumanya ngwe baranerga wa president RDC nkogo ntayanga kukore kibamuragira twashikira umunyabiragiro Mark Kamanzi hasumo kandi nagira ngo nshongeze zikiryo mukoti kandi nguwe namanya ngwe sente zipene na yamuhire zikaba zirizo kupangisita kakutara kumuguza
things requires a lot of preparation. You cannot be preparing witnesses to
and again you start giving interviews
then you go into bogus claims.
Bogus claims, what a statement.
No, it's a bogus claim, I am telling you. If you file do you want to tell me that she has more faith in Bukede than the High Court of Uganda?
No.
That's why I say it's bogus.
So these receipts that show that you received the money and then it was for land, for what?
She was paying for use. If you lease my land.
Hey, it wasn't buying land.
It wasn't buying land at all.
So 75 million for use of land.
It was leased for 10 years.
Then the balance of 12 million still lease for land.
What is the balance of 12 million?
I'm seeing here receipt to MK Kamanzi and advocates.
I am not aware about that. I am not aware.
Penena nagira ngo bwa hati Kamanzi akamutahwe manja tachine haru kuturobwe nenteze nyinji zahereze kufa ahantu ho yashabira abantu kumuhera mu rugamboro ubwe barukurabira hasi mu ya note mushanje 8 21 inshanju 3 mukagaziro
kandi president abakora habyitaka batuyambe